It's the birthday of our Lord. Just whisper to Him, Lord, happy birthday. Mahal ko po kayo. I want to love you more. I want to know you more, Lord. I want to serve you the rest of my life. As for me and for my house, we will serve the Lord. It's Christmas. Maybe the Lord is asking you, anak, nag-forgive ka na ba? Birthday ko, yan ang hiningi ko siya. Anak, Pasko na. Nag-confession ka na ba? If you really love the Lord, it's respond with the heart. O anak, nag-share ka na ba? Dami ka ng pera, di ka man lang nagbabahagi. O yung mga ninakaw mo, anak, isoli mo na. Yan. This is where the Lord really talks to us at Christmas. Anak, may ugali kang masama, baguhin mo na yan. Matapang ka, masungit ka, naninigaw ka, nagmumura ka. Anak, Pasko na. This is where Christmas happens. Anak, ngumiti ka naman, palagi kang malungkot. Sana magpasaya ka ng ibang tao, hindi lang sarili mo tinitignan mo. Christmas is in the heart, yes, but it's also in life, in reality.